Previously on Top Don, $20 chef upset Donnie in the Rangoon round, challenging his status as the Wonton Don.
People are starting to call me Wonton Sean now, the big homie Wonton Sean.
Will his reputation recover in round 2?
Second round, tacos. Now, Sean, I guess, is half Mexican, even though he didn't find out he was half Mexican until he was like 30 because he never knew his dad. But fact is, tacos aren't hard to make. Everyone's fucking white bread mom from the Midwest probably makes tacos growing up.
I definitely don't think I have an advantage. If eating tacos made me a favorite, then yeah. But if I can win the goon round, anybody can win the taco round.
Sean had never made a Rangoon going into round 1, so I decided to make a taco I'd never made before in round 2. I'm talking a 3-beer and a Fanta battered cod taco with a little bit of frico de gallo on top.
I wanted to go as simple as possible. I see Donnie over there going with the beer batter. It's a lot of steps.
It's really not that many steps. You just fucking mix beer in with flour.
I'm definitely gonna go shrimp taco on this. I'm gonna throw a little mango salsa on there with a nice serrano chili. Get a good heat, you get the sweetness on an old school corn tortilla.
Just gotta wait for this oil to heat up. Wow. My one weakness is sweet and savory flavor combos. So when I saw him grilling up that mango, I knew he was onto something, and I didn't like it. Fucking A, grilled mangoes, good.
I can crank out 400 of these. Super easy, clean, crisp, and
Hey
quick.
man, you know what? I don't think you should grill the mango. I think you should serve it in the taco, just fresh.
Don't worry, you'll see how we do this.
And that's just what I'm saying. I've talked to a lot of expert, Zagat rated chefs,
Yep.
and they're like, never grill mango. What did I tell you about not grilling the mango?
I'm not a good listener, Donnie.
Turns out people in the Midwest are smarter than I thought.
How's your practice taco, Donnie?
I think I could use a little more pineapple in the pico de gallo, but it's good.
You could deep fry a bag of shit, okay, and it's gonna taste not that bad.
Honestly, at this point, I think I'm almost more of like a master chef with a blogging habit than like a blogger who likes to cook on the side. All right, I am ready. Let's bring in the judges. It was time to invite the judges back in. This time, not only did we have white males, old white males, and black males, we also threw in a little spice with a Latina female, because it was the taco round. Hey, how are you, judges?
Good, good.
Chefs.
Thank you for having us, chefs.
Yeah, so this was the taco round. Now, just to remind you, you should vote only on flavor, not on authenticity. Okay, it's not about who can make a presentation. Sure, you can factor that in, but it's not about who made the more authentic taco. It's who made the more flavorful taco.
I don't like being told how to vote, though. Okay, so what do we have here? What are these two dishes?
I have a mango shrimp taco here with some cilantro, lime, and cucumber on top, and also a little avocado because it's good for honey's skin. And also you guys.
So this is mango?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's nice. Sweet against savory. Very nice.
And a nice kick with the jalapeno there, good spice.
The lime was a good touch.
Yep, need the lime, need the lime.
Now, we don't want my tacos to get cold, so if you guys could wrap it up, that'd be great.
What do we have here, Chef Don?
Here we have a 3-beer and a Fanta battered cod taco with some frico de gallo salsa on top. Now, if you'll notice, it's a very colorful dish. A lot of colors, sort of like a rainbow.
I don't see color.
Last night, I had to deal with a very big personal issue. Found out that my dad's gay. Yeah. Now, to everyone out there who has a gay dad, that's awesome. I wish I had a gay dad instead of like an alcoholic who used to beat me every time I didn't get on base. But fact of the matter is, it's 2018, gay dads sell, and I thought it could give me a little bit of a competitive edge.
Good for him, dude. Let's go. Hey, give it up for Donnie's dad.
Yeah,
huh?
yeah,
Let's go,
yeah.
Donnie's dad. So, finally being the man he should be. You should be proud, not
Even
sad.
though it's 2018, a lot of people would be shocked to find out that their dad's gay. But I have chosen to celebrate it with this colorful taco you see in front of you.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to the taco even more now.
Now, when I think tacos, I think of Donnie's gay dad.
Yeah.
Got a good crunch to it.
It is. I like this. Has a little heat too.
Oh yeah, bring in the heat.
These are two excellent, excellent dishes.
All right, chefs. If you could give us a couple seconds to confer.
If you'd like my vape.
Oh yeah,
well,
I love a Jewel. Thanks.
Is that a bribe?
No. Just I know when it helps him think.
You want some more avocado, Liz?
Quiet the mind.
Sure, why
President
not?
Obama's trying to take our jewels away.
He's just trying to pander to you because there's been rumors that you're a basic bitch, and
That is no room around here.
they love their
That's
avocado.
right, that's right.
It's fact.
I don't know if I should have called Liz a basic bitch.
But you know, I think it went over.
Well,
her
I
head.
didn't
don't think so.
call her basically, but you said there's rumors that she's a basic bitch.
You know, are you guys being heavily influenced by the gay dad?
Well, I'm a father, and I might be gay, so I think that comes into a lot of things that I do.
I'm a taco eater second. I'm a human first. So I've got it hard.
Donnie's dad's not a taco eater though.
No, not anymore.
No.
Chefs, we're ready for you. First, I'd like to give the chefs an opportunity to apologize to the office for cooking fish out in the open.
I apologize. We only have one more round after this, and we will not be cooking down here anymore.
Okay.
I recommend just throwing on headphones, maybe a couple nose plugs, and getting back to work.
We've made our decision. I guess I'll go first. I picked Donnie. I thought that your fish taco was just tremendous. Great balance, good presentation. I like the flour tortilla.
Thank you, Judge.
I also
Can I
went
have
Donnie.
Sorry, I didn't mean to step on that.
I
wanted another drawer.
More drugs. I got you. I also went Donnie. I didn't get pineapple to the middle of it, but once I got it, that really brought it all together. I like the sweet with the heat, so I went Donnie as well.
Yeah.
This was actually a tough decision for me. I loved the spice in your taco, and it was great. To me, it was just a little heavy. I thought Sean's taco was fresher, a little lighter.
Had avocado.
The avocado. So this basic bitch picked another fellow Mexican basic bitch, essentially.
Thank you, Liz.
So, but to be clear, I am not anti your gay father.
Okay.
I would like to
yes,
make sure
that's
to
great.
be very
I will
clear on
let
that.
him know.
I really like Sean's taco. I thought the mango gave a real fruity, undertone to it. And then I thought fruity. I went back to your dad. I thought about the hardship that you had making this taco after you got that news last night. I think it's overwhelmingly my vote is for you today.
I appreciate that.
You're very welcome.
Hopefully you don't have to come out to your kids, but if you do,
I'm ready.
I'm sure they'll be just as supportive as I am to my dad.
Thank you, chefs. Sean. Thank you.
Hey, thanks, judges.
So we're
please
tied
pack
up
your
now,
knives and
1-1,
go.
right? So this is now a
We're
rubber
tied up.
match.
I needed that W so badly after the first round. Chef seemed to take the L in stride. I hope he doesn't think like I took his half Mexican card just because I won the taco round, although some would say I did.
With the series now tied at 1, tune in for tomorrow's rubber match as the Wonton Don and $20 Chef take on the Mystery Box.